baby, and welcome to the coupon camp. We are in Walmart doing our Walmart couponing for the week of 2/21 to 2/27, and I'm going to start off with grabbing 2 packs of these Kotex value. They are 94 cents. We have a coupon for $2 off of 2, and I will show you those available coupons. Okay, and then we have this Summer's Eve product for $1.72 with a 50 cent off coupon, and then $1.50 off too. So I'm going to grab 2 of those. I will be sure, guys, to show you all the coupons for that. Okay, guys, I have 4 swap coupons. Remember, do not get this one. This does not work. We're going to grab 2 of these. I'm going to grab 4 of these, so 2 each, and 2 more. There you go. I do not know if this will work or not, so I don't want to grab that. So that's why I'm not going to get it, but it's called Charge. But here's all the other ones, and here is also White Rain for 97 cents, and also you can get Coach for 97 cents, Coast. Okay, guys, Shea Moisture has a whole collection out, which is fantastic. Right here, they have Wave Pomade, Bald Head Moisturizer, Lightweight Conditioner, Deep Conditioner, Refreshing Shampoo, and Moisturizing Shampoo. So this is all the Shea Moisture products. And then they have some more Shea Moisture over here. So one is light and one is dark. So this, I don't know what's the difference. I think I showed you guys those, but I'm overjoyed with Shea Moisture at this point. One, they give us all the little creams for free, and then they have all of this collection. And we do have a $5 coupon. It's 5 off of 2. So you still can grab 2 of these, pay $5, $5.98 for 2. To me, that's a good deal. That's a good deal, especially when it's a new product, okay? Okay, I'm going to grab 1 Nivea at $2.92, and that coupon is for $2, so we'll be able to get this for 92 cents. Now, let me scan these because supposedly they're supposed to be 10 cents, not $2. So I'm going to check and see, okay? Okay, so I scanned this, and this is still coming up $2, so I won't be grabbing that. And the pumpkin is also coming up $2, so we will not be looking at that one also. Okay, so as usual, look over here to see if you can find any coupons to give you overage off, and that's going to be mainly the Revlons, the CoverGirl, L'Oreal, but this one kind of been picked clean. It's Wet and Wild, those type of things. Like, who is this? This Maybelline, but it's, I don't think that's on sale. Why is that in here? I'll scan it and see. Okay. Yeah, let's see. They don't have any. This is Wet and Wild, basically. That's Elf. See how much is these over here. Who is this? Opposites. That's Elf. Oh, okay. Elf. It's okay. So that's the biggie over there. The one that I have is not ringing up. I'm going to check my app some more and see if they have anything. I have Brick Seat, and Brick Seat is not on point lately to me. I'm told that some of their clothes should still be clearancing. Some of the toys should still be clearancing. And it has not clearanced yet. Still should find some things that's clearanced out. And I really don't see them. Again, this is not my Walmart. Okay, let's go with the coupons we'll be using. We'll be using this $2 off 2 Kotex liners. 4 of the Body Swap body washes for $1 off, making those free, making the Kotex free also. 1 of the $1.50 off of 2 Summer's Eve. They are at $1.79. Plus we have a 50-cent coupon attached on to it. So we'll be using those. And I'll be putting this back because my coupon is not there. And then I'm going to go and check some food deals. So let's go over there and check some food deals out. Hey, let me grab a set of hangers because my boys got in their head it's okay to break them up. So I found myself buying these hangers every time I come in the store. It's annoying. Okay, so this is 50% off now. They done brought it down to, see, this Oak Leaf was the same. That Chardonnay, it was the same price. It's $6. Look at it, now they marketing. Okay. And the cooks was $3. Okay, they did clear out the little mini cake waffle thing. They cleared those out, which is nice. And this is still 75% off, so it didn't change any that much. Let's go to the food. I want to see if I have some food items in here I can grab. Here I'm about to grab 2 of these chorizos at $1.24, and we got 50 cents off, $1 off of 2. Okay, so I'm going to grab 1 snuggle at $1.84. We have $1 off coupon, so we're going to use that, okay? So let me show you what coupons I have after the ones I just showed. Okay, so I have a coupon for 50 cents off the chorizos, $1 off of the snuggle, and I want to find this. Okay, I found the Scotch Brite, but I did not think it was a good price, so I won't be getting that, guys, okay? Just remember, if you find something that's not a good price, well, you put it back. It's nothing wrong with putting it back. Now, let me go and find my husband, because he already done said that he's sitting down somewhere because his leg is hurting him. Okay, so I'll be going to look for him. Okay, so here is the clearance rack right here. Let's see what they got over here. Garlic knots for $2.24. Pound cakes for $1.88. I got oatmeal cookies for $1.41. Pastries, 68 cents. And here is another pastry, $2.97. Where is the apple turnover? Okay. And then this all butter croissants, $2.99. It's a good deal. You gotta eat them though, guys, as soon as you get them. Because I did that, they were stale. But I do buy the dollar ones. I love them. The bread that's 99 cents and usually be 50 cents the next day. That's the one I buy. TVs, $148. Look at that. Ooh, HD TVs. $209 for the high census. $429 for this one. $128 for a Roku. And y'all know this is the tax season, right? $468 for a Vizio. $798 for a Samsung. And then here's one for $898. And it's the crystal Samsung. It is a 75-inch. Wow. Okay, guys, so we are back from Walmart. And as you can see, I went for more. Okay. And that is because once I figured out, okay, nothing beat, I went and hurry and done it. Okay. Like last week, that black one is beeping. And then I showed you another one. It was orange. I didn't even attempt it because I just didn't want no trouble. No trouble. So I went back and got more of these. I finished out the rest of them. That's what I had. The rest of the coupons, I just went and finished them. So it's 2, 4, that's 8. Because there's some over there. And then, of course, these work. So that is 10 freebies. 1, 2, 3 cheapies under $1. 3 cheapies. And then these were $1 a piece. Because the coupon was for 50 cents off of 2. They were $1.23 a piece. So they were $1 a piece. Like 98 cents. So the rest under $1. Finish out your coupons, guys, because a lot of these coupons expire on the 27th. That is like the turn. It's like every 12 to 16 weeks the coupons change. That is that change over. So let's look at our receipt. Went up to $19.63, went all the way down to $10.63. So I went over by 63 cents. But I also had plates on here, and I had hangers on there. I had plates on here, and I had hangers. The plates were for $3.99, and the hangers was for $1. Now the hangers was for $1.97. So I am gonna take that $5 off. $3, $4, $5, $6 off. So if you take the $6 off, then you do have this total right here. That is fantastic. So I would say I came out of what, $4 and like $4.63. or $4 under $4. This was a great haul, guys. Make sure you tune in, hit like, subscribe, and share this channel. And you saw the receipt yourself, all on work. So I will be back at my old Walmart. This one right here, this is the one I'm going back to. I'm gonna try to stay in my own lane this time. Okay, guys, bye.